Here I've got Alcatel A3 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should open more options. And now go to tethering and portable hotspot. Here you'll notice Wi-Fi hotspot. Enable it by tapping on it, and then here just tap on the switcher to activate portable hotspot. And as you can see now, here's the notification, here is the sign that your portable hotspot is active. If you would like to personalize it, so if you would like to change the network name and also the password, click on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, just by tapping on the current one, you can update it. Okay. Hello. So let me leave hard and then scroll down a bit to update the password. If you will tap on show password, you will be able to notice what your current one is. Then tap on it, delete it, and enter a new one. You just have to remember that your password must have at least 8 characters, and then click on save. Give your device a while to upload those updates, and as you can see, we have Wi-Fi hotspot back now, and it has new network name and also new password. If you would like to check it, just click on show password, and this is the one that we set. So that is all. If you would like to switch off portable hotspot, you can do it just like that, and you can also activate it through the upper bar, so simply slide it down and then locate it. It's over here, so simply tap on hotspot icon, give your device a few seconds, and now it's active. Then obviously you can switch it off the same way. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.